I want to be direct with you today because I think you deserve the real picture. Some jobs are being structurally eliminated by AI right now, not in some distant future. And the people in those roles often don't realize what's happening until it's too late. In the first half of 2025, 77,999 tech jobs were directly tied to AI driven layoffs. There's been a 20% decline in software developer employment for people aged 22 to 25 compared to prior cohorts. AI could eliminate 10 to 20% of entry level white collar jobs in the next 1 to 5 years, according to Axios and National University Research. That's not panic journalism. That's data from companies actively making these decisions right now. Here are the 10 roles facing the most significant structural pressure, and for each one, I'm going to tell you the specific pivot that turns AI threat into AI advantage. Number one, data entry clerks and administrative assistants. AI can now read, categorize, route, and process documents at scale. The pivot is to become an AI implementation specialist who trains businesses to use these tools and earn $60 to $100 an hour rather than $18 to $22. Number two, junior copywriters producing templated content. AI generates first drafts faster and cheaper. The pivot is to become an AI content strategist, the person who defines the brief, edits for brand voice, and manages the AI production pipeline. This pays 3 times what a junior copywriter earns. Number three, basic customer service representatives handling FAQ level queries. AI chatbots now handle 60 to 80% of tier 1 support. The pivot is to specialize in complex, emotionally nuanced customer experience, escalation management, VIP service, retention, where human judgment is irreplaceable and where companies will always pay a premium for the right person. Number four, junior financial analysts doing data aggregation. AI can pull, combine, and summarize financial data in seconds. The pivot is to move up the value chain to interpretation and recommendation, the part of the job that requires business context and judgment that no model can replicate on its own. Number 5, medical billing and coding clerks. AI coding tools are increasingly accurate. The pivot is to become a healthcare AI compliance specialist, the human who audits AI generated codes for errors and regulatory compliance. This is actually a growing role that didn't exist 5 years ago. Number 6, legal document reviewers. Large language models can review contracts and flag issues faster than junior associates. The pivot is to specialize in AI oversight, legal tech implementation, or niche areas requiring deep contextual knowledge, the kind built over years of practice that a model can assist but not replace. Number 7, basic graphic designers producing stock templates. The pivot is to become an AI assisted art director who uses tools like Midjourney to concept and iterate rapidly, focusing on creative strategy rather than production. The skill shift is from making to directing, and it opens up a higher pay tier. Number 8, entry level software developers writing boilerplate code. AI coding tools are eliminating the lowest value coding tasks. The pivot is to move into AI prompt engineering, systems architecture, or AI tool evaluation, roles where human judgment about what to build matters more than how to build it. Number 9, travel agents booking standard itineraries. The pivot is to specialize in complex, high touch travel, luxury, adventure, corporate, where AI can support but not replace the relationship and the deeply personalized knowledge of a specialist. Number 10, basic SEO content writers producing keyword stuffed articles. This model is largely automated now. The pivot is to become an AI content quality specialist, editorial director, or audience strategist, the roles that define what content should exist and whether AI generated content is actually good, relevant, and worth reading. Here is the meta point. AI doesn't eliminate intelligence, judgment, creativity, or relationships. It eliminates repetitive, rule based execution of well defined tasks. If you're in a role defined primarily by execution, you need to migrate toward roles defined by judgment and strategy. This is not a minor career adjustment, it's a fundamental shift in what employers are paying for. The good news is that this shift is happening slowly enough that you have time to make the move if you start now.
The path to job security runs directly through AI skills because the people who understand how to use these tools are the ones being hired to oversee them. Every organization deploying AI needs someone who can train it, audit it, evaluate its output, and communicate its limitations to non technical stakeholders. That person doesn't have to have a computer science degree, they just have to know the tools better than the people around them, and that is a learnable advantage.
The most important career move you can make this year is learning one AI tool well enough to teach it to others. That skill alone will protect you from every item on this list. It doesn't matter which tool, Claude, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Zapier AI, or any of the hundreds of vertical specific tools emerging in your industry. What matters is depth over breadth. Go deep on one, become the person others turn to, and let that expertise compound into a career identity that's AI adjacent rather than AI replaceable. So here's what I want you to do today. Look at your current role and honestly ask, is this job primarily about execution or primarily about judgment? If the honest answer is execution, pick one tool from your industry and spend 30 minutes a day for the next 30 days going deep on it. Come back and tell me in the comments what role you're in and what pivot you're considering. I read every comment. And subscribe because the next video covers the specific AI tools paying the highest freelance rates right now, and you don't want to miss it.